Come ride the magical, incredible, fantastical. Come ride the very airy library.
Welcome to the Very Airy Library.
Wow, it's awesome.
And it flies?
Each week,
Hey,
there's a
Mr.
new
Sam.
journey from a permanent author.
What is this place?
A few friends
Your
with us,
stand?
we about to travel on before.
Welcome, tiny human.
Ride the magical,
man.
incredible, fantastical.
I think we're ready to go.
Oh wow, we're very high up.
Yeah, we are. And do not walk out this door while we're this high. Get a little scary out there. Oh, hello, fellow story explorers. I'm just talking to my friend Kristin Williams. We just picked her up from Port Elizabeth, South Africa. And we're heading to Fayetteville, Georgia to our Picture Book Perfect event where she's gonna see her professionally illustrated book for the first time. Now, Kristin, we have a long commute, so we have some time to kill. Do you mind coming over to the Gobbler and talking to our friends? All right, Kristin, do you mind telling our guests out there a little bit about yourself? So your name, your age, where you're from, and what you like to do for fun.
Hi, my name is Kristin Williams. I'm 14 years old. I'm from Port Elizabeth, South Africa, and I really like reading, watching TV, and baking.
I love desserts. So what would you make for someone with a sweet tooth like me?
Depends. What do you like?
Ooh, I'm a chocolate guy. I love chocolate.
Well, then I'd make a fudgy chocolate brownie
Goodness.
with cookies and cream ice cream.
Oh my goodness. Okay. The next time you come to the Very Airy Library, will you bring some?
Definitely.
Deal. All right. So here at the Very Airy Library, we're all about books. As you can see, we have every book that's ever been written. What is your favorite book?
My favorite book, I'd say, comes from the Percy Jackson series, Percy Jackson and the Olympians. The second book, The Sea of Monsters.
Ooh, I haven't read that one, but I'm definitely going to read it now since it's your favorite.
Did somebody leave the fridge open? Cause it's getting cold in here, which means it's time to play an icebreaker game. You know the rules. Spin the wheel, and whatever it lands on, you have to do.
All right, Kristin, are you ready to spin the wheel?
Definitely.
All right, here we go. All right, what will it be? What will it be? Dun, dun, dun. All right, you find a button that says, do not press. What happens when you press it?
How about you get transmigrated into another world?
Oh, in another world. What world?
Your favorite book.
Oh, I love that. My favorite book.
Ooh, that's gonna be a tough one. If Dante's Inferno is your favorite book.
Daknee, you're so silly, man.
Stanley, I would like to get some more serious questions from our young writer. Do you mind stepping into my office?
I don't mind.
Kristin, can you tell us a little bit about your book? What's it called and what's it about?
Yeah, definitely. The name of the book is The Big Sweet Problems, and it centers around a boy named Alex who's trying to help his grandmother save their bakery from being shut down by the mayor due to unhealthy reasons.
Ooh, where did you get the idea for this book?
I was inspired by my family. My whole family has a history of baking. My brother bakes, my mother bakes, and my sister. Both of them, my family, we own a baking business. And I just wanted to incorporate into the story.
Ooh, I know someone else that bakes. Philo, wake up!
I'm not sleeping. I'm out here.
Philo, what are you doing way down there?
The acre's been jammed for over an hour.
Oh no, I see the red light up now. I've been busy talking to Kristin. Be careful down there, Philo.
I'm always careful. But I still have some questions, though. Hey, Kristin, what's your favorite part of the writing process?
I think my favorite part was deciding what problems the character overcomes and what the problem was.
I didn't hear a word she said between the wind and these squawky seagulls. But I'm going to ask my next question anyway. What was the most challenging part of the writing process?
I think the most challenging part was figuring out what genre I wanted to write. Would I want it to be fantasy, comedy, or horror?
Good answer.
I'm sure that was another great answer that I couldn't hear. But Stanley, how much longer till we get to the ATL?
Philo, just give us a minute and we'll let you know how long we have left, okay?
Hang in there, Philo.
Get out of here, Seagull. Let's start cooking.
Oh, Kristin, we have 3 hours left. Philo, hang in there for 5 more minutes, okay?
60 times.
She came all the way from Port Elizabeth, South Africa. Her book is called Big Sweet Problems. And are you ready to see your book? All right. From Port Elizabeth, South Africa, author of Big Sweet Problems. You like it? Congratulations. The book is a selection from the Share Your Story writing program and published by Lead for Literacy. Visit startyourstories.com to see how you can participate.